In this video, we show how to replace riser 2 in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove riser 2, disconnect data cables. Then lift up on the riser and remove. To install riser 2, align it with the system, lower it into place, and then reconnect the data cables. Making sure to reroute your cables when finished. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.